Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to use this tool here called the cookie cutter to do a patch. You can see the patch, the place that needs to be patched right there. So, cut out the old piece of carpet, hopefully without cutting all the way through to the carpet underneath it. That accident again. And then we and then I move as much of the nap out of the way as I possibly can so that the cutter does not cut the nap. It's unavoidable to cut some nap, but we try to avoid it. It's funny, huh? Glue gun doing? Almost ready?
You're getting there.
Hold on.
Right down. Give it about 1 more minute.
Then I take the seam tape, put it underneath, and one piece will fix it up just right. Then I determine which direction the carpet is running. Seems to me that it's rough going that way and flat as can be going down like that. And it's a little bit flat going that way too. So it goes that just like this. Won't you go to
the other one? Yeah.
Now you're going to be able to see this patch because this carpet here is worn. It's halfway worn up. We're using a brand new piece of carpet for the patch. But it's going to look a heck of a lot better than it did. This tool is a tractor. I use the tractor to push the glue into the back end of the carpet. I'm going to let that cool down for a moment. That's how we do a cookie cutter patch. Just like that.